Imagine a future where art is not confined to the physical canvas. Introducing Art2All, a French art tech startup, venturing bravely into the digital realm of art. We are on the forefront of the art technology crossover, a revolution that is transforming the very way we perceive and engage with art. Welcome to the exciting and innovative world of Art2All. Art2All mission is both straightforward and revolutionary. We transpose our abundant legacy of masterpieces into the digital realm, revealing hidden layers of famous paintings. Mona Lisa from the Louvre is part of our collection. We initiate this process by creating an authentic and unique digital clone with the biometrics of the physical artwork. This is no trivial task. It encompasses a multifaceted procedure, scanning just the visible elements but also the concealed layers. We venture beyond what is visible to meticulously catalog each hidden layer and version. This allows us to probe beneath the surface of iconic paintings like the Mona Lisa, unveiling layers and versions concealed from the naked eye. The groundbreaking technology of Art2All harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to authenticate and preserve art against the growing menace of counterfeits. Using our multispectral camera, this AI scrutinizes innumerable data points, verifying the genuineness of art masterpieces. Its mission extends beyond preservation to uphold authenticity and integrity in an age where digital counterfeiting is on the rise. Art2All technology has a profound impact. It makes digital clone of artwork, providing a crucial tool for restoration in cases of damage. This helps ensure that invaluable masterpieces are able to retain their original grandeur, safeguarded from the ravages of time and human error. Art2All exploration of new avenues with non-fungible tokens stands as one of the most digital applications of technology to art. Leveraging its unique ability, we are transforming concealed masterpieces into an exclusive NFT collection. This innovative approach presents fresh opportunities for art collectors and enthusiasts, offering them a unique pathway to possess a piece of art history like never before.